Thursday, April 17, 2025. Here in Pilibhit, it's cloudy since morning. Our morning safari was delayed due to rain, and we all are worried about today's tiger sighting. We photographers prefer Pilibhit Tiger Reserve for head-on shots of tiger walking along Kachi or Pakki Sadak. I am yet to capture this dream shot in this trip as well as my last year's safaris. Post-rain, we started our safari. Suddenly we saw a gypsy standing in the middle of Pakki Sadak. Finger cross. And the show we experience in next 1.5 hours is out of the world. A rare opportunity to see how S3, the bold and famous male tiger of Pilibhit, is struggling to digest his last night's kill, a giant Burmese python. S3 is around 12 years of age. So a full-grown male tiger struggling and keep vomiting after he ate a portion of his kill. He's trying to chew grasses to ease his digestive discomfort and attempt to induce vomiting. We were sorry for him due to experience his pain. We again came there the next day, but he was missing at the site, and the python kill was there in the same condition. I heard that S3 was again seen there after 2-3 days. Hope to see him again in Pilibhit on my next visit and get an opportunity to shot him head on.